that I use. I have my lights, have my foil paper, my zip ties, my wreath, and my poster board. Now I'm just gonna outline my wreath to make a circle to put for the back end of the Diva light. So pretty circle. Now I'm just gonna cut this out around the lines as much as I can. This middle part could be a little tricky, so I have to cut a hole in it to actually get some of that middle piece out, and then just start trimming away. Right now I'm just gonna take the wreath, go ahead and take out my zip ties. I'm gonna be placing around the wreath. And go ahead and open my box of light, which are daylight bright lights. Brand is Chapter. I'm just gonna untangle this and go ahead and start from one end. Really don't matter which end you start with, just as long as you leave one of the pieces out. So now here I'm just going to go ahead and start zip tying. Put the zip ties all around, just going around that first layer. First loop, so now I'm just gonna keep going until I get all the way around. Alright, so we got all of that finished. So now it's time to cut those ties. So I'm just gonna go all around and cut all of them. Please be careful with the sharpness after you cut it, because you could really cut yourself. I'm just finishing cutting all of these. Okay, now that they are all cut, this is that part. So now it's time to open up the aluminum foil, get that all ready so we could wrap that around our cardboard. So just get that and just securely wrap it all around. Probably used about maybe about 4 or 5 sheets, possibly. Alright, that's the finished look for that. So now it's just time to go ahead and zip tie that to the back of the light. Alright, so now I'm just going ahead and zip tie them all around. Making sure that they are nice, sturdy, and tight. Trying to make sure there isn't much gap in between. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut those. Just checking to see if I need to add any more, trying to get it more tight so it won't be as loose. But so far so good. Alright, and this is the finished product. Now I'm just going to get my cord and go ahead and attach that to the end of the light ring. Go ahead and plug that up. And there we go, bright lights. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.